Alright, y'all, so finna get under there. We gonna remove that. Get this bad boy out. Look at that thing. Let's take a look at the crack, yo. I don't know if I can see. Let's rip them off right now. Clip the babies off. Here she go, boys. She's still good. Uh-oh. Look at those cams though, man. Sheesh. So yeah, we're gonna go sidewinder kit just to make things simpler with heat and installation and less turbo piping and a bigger intercooler. So it's a few upgrades here and there. Alrighty, we're just gonna slip these off. Y'all, put that crank bolt out. So move the crank, and then we gotta grab the key. Oh shit, the key fell. All right, here we go. We got it. Okay, I almost panicked for a second. No panicking, just lock in, y'all. We got it. So now that we got, take the plugs out. Put that engine in TDC. Oh, we need a magnet. I need a magnet. This one has the magnet. Ooh, I suck it. Alrighty. Oh, that's one. That's two. Well, don't look that bad, yo. Okay. And turn slow. The hashes are coming. Let's turn a little slow. Here they come. Alrighty. We got them. A little more. And TDC. So yeah. Take the spark plugs out. Set at the top dead center. Now. Yeah, today wasn't much. We just removed some timing side components. Removed the crank bolt. Set the engine to TDC. So that way when we put it back together, it won't be too hard to, you know, time the motor and everything. But once we remove the chains and the chain guides and the tensioner, this head should be ready to come off. And we can start removing the pistons and get to repairing. So thanks for sticking around. Stay tuned. The next one is gonna be very informational, and we're gonna be tearing this engine down. I can't wait to do it. Continue removing the timing cover bolts. So I'll be right back when we do that. All right, y'all, so this is what we have so far. Took off the timing side. We timed everything. You see the lines matching up on the cam gears. We still didn't remove the tensioners and the side guys, but we're gonna get there. See, we got a timing cover side removed. And just so we keep everything organized, put them bolts around. And that's how we do it. So, yep. All right, y'all. So today we're gonna be tackling this chain section over here. Our trusty 10 mil. Let's get the cracking. Tensioner guide, I should say. That's off. Loosen that baby. Take that off. Yo, I might reuse some of these. So, alright, so I just took it off that bottom sprocket down there. There we go. I just gotta get it from under this guy. Up there. Now, oh man, we're ready to take the head off, y'all. So this is what I was kind of waiting for, because we get to see the damage we've caused to the pistons inside. So fasten your seat belts. It's gonna be a ride. Let's see what we done. And keep in mind, I'm gonna insert some clips. I've been driving this thing hard like this. And you know, that's how I drive the car. Gotta, you know, drive it the way you're gonna drive it. Don't baby it and then try to drive it hard and then, oh, my car break. Ah, man. From the middle and then, you know, outwards. So I know based off of the manual, I think last time from what I recall, and I think I started off like you know, center, like remove these two. Then I think I moved to the left and then move here and then move there and then move there. I think that's how I did it last time. Don't quote me. So that's how I'm gonna do it right now. I mean, I don't care. I feel that's the most, you know, best way to do it, but they all might be 12s. And okay, so we start with the inner, and we're just gonna crack them loose for now, and then crack from the middle. Crack it loose, and I'm gonna just say, so let's get the middle. Just go this way. Just loosen them. Inner, outer. Go to that little air. Oh, inner, see. Outer, outer, maybe outer, maybe the inner, and then outer. Alright, so the last loopy one. So we got all of them out, and then you know, to loosen them, you just want to take the bolt and just wiggle this back and forth to the lift, and there we go. We got the first one out. Another angle for y'all. Loose. Let's take them out in order. So you see that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna have to keep that in order, and then when we put it back together, this thing gonna be easy peasy lemon squeezy, man. So let's give that a wiggle. See, 1, 2. Let's keep the bolts in check. It's 3. Come on, if you could count. It ain't hard. 4. And then the last one, 5. There we go. Let's lift up these cams and get them out. So shouldn't be too hard. Yep, there we go. So this is the intake cam. Not really much aggressive lobes on there, but I am looking to upgrade my cams. We're gonna be going with a different style, aggressive, more intake and exhaust cam for turbo. Okay, so got the first cam out, and then this is exhaust cam. Ooh, the mosquitoes tearing me up. So we got the exhaust and intake cams off. Now I'm gonna have to stop here because I don't have zip ties, and this part is very crucial. So as you can see, this Z3 only has VTEC on one side, and that's on the intake side. As you can see, the 3 lobes, and then here's just a single on the exhaust, 3 on the intake. So this is the VTEC side. These little middle ones hold spring and pins in the middle. So before we remove anything right here, by lifting this head up, we have to zip tie these together. You have to, because if you don't, you're gonna be looking for a new rocker assembly, because them springs gonna be going everywhere. So I'm gonna take a pause right here, cover up the engine, and we're gonna edit this footage and get it out there to y'all, man. So once again, thanks for tuning in. It's your boy Mel, and we'll see y'all in the next one.